Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's, I don't know what time it is, but it's late at night. Yeah, I'm about to watch Calling All Engines. We had to clean a top hat. So yeah, I'll show you the beginning. Like the opening to Calling All Engines DVD. And this is like, I have 2 copies of this movie, the same exact copy. Because we got a second one in a 3-pack. Let me just get no flashlight.
See and hear Thomas like never before in his biggest movie ever, Hero of the Rails, the movie.
I found the oldest engine on Sodor.
It's a story of adventure and new friends.
We must help Hero at once.
In an all-new movie like you've never seen before.
You've come to the right place, my friend.
Thomas and Friends, Hero of the Rails, the movie. Only on DVD September 8th. Only on DVD. Bob the Builder, on site, Skyscraper.
We're going to see a skyscraper being built.
Put on your hard hat, strap on your tool belt, and join Bob the Builder as his world meets the real world on site.
Let's go on site.
Bob and his can-do crew take you on a fun-filled adventure to a real construction site. Learn how diggers dig the foundations, just like Scoop. See how cement mixers mix up cement, just like Dizzy and Tumbler. See how tall cranes carry loads high in the sky, just like Lofty. And now, only on DVD, Bob the Builder, on site, Skyscraper.
Let's find out how a skyscraper is built.
From laying the foundation to the construction of each floor to elevators, you're on site with Bob the Builder. Can we build it?
Yes, we can! Yeah, I think so.
Bob the Builder, on site, Skyscraper, now on DVD. Also available on site, houses and playgrounds, and on site, roads and bridges.
For over 20 years, he's been every child's best friend.
I do have a lot of friends from all over the world.
And now you can join the Dino-rific celebration in an all-new DVD special for Barney's 20th anniversary. With the best of Barney DVDs. Barney's opening his magical memory box in this special collection.
We are celebrating some happy memories.
Which features his most memorable moments of all time.
There's a lot to see.
With 20 of your favorite Barney songs. This DVD is full of special features for fans of all ages, including 7 Barney sing-alongs, an exclusive featurette, games, and much more. So join Baby Bob, BJ, Rip, and the lovable, huggable purple guy himself, Barney, for a terrific extravaganza.
I believe there's always room for one more happy memory.
As they celebrate 20 magical years of sharing, caring, and imagination in this exclusive DVD special, The Best of Barney, now on DVD.
For your convenience, this DVD has been enhanced with Hit Entertainment's autoplay. Your program and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass autoplay, select the main menu button at any time. Your feature presentation will begin in a moment. Enjoy.
So yeah, here's the movie. See you in the next video. And if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. So yeah,
Thomas and Friends.
the next video is coming tomorrow.
Making tracks to great destinations.